Welcome back. In this session, we're going to set up together the development environment for our journey through C# and .NET 8, having the right tool. So, Visual Studio gonna be our IDE for this course, and here's it why. Because it's powerful, user-friendly, and fully optimized for .NET development. Visual Studio offers an extensive set of tools for debugging, code completion, and project management. So here from Google, I will head over to installing Visual Studio 2022. And let's scroll down. We can find here the official website for visualstudio.microsoft.com. After that, we can find here three types of Visual Studio. The first one gonna be community, and that one is totally free for student, open source, contributor, and individual, which is gonna be ideal and the perfect for our course. So no worry about the cost, it's totally free. And if you're gonna have a production environment inside your work, I would recommend to go with the enterprise or professional for the Visual Studio. And as you can see, this one is very suitable for Windows user. On the other hand, if you are using Mac or Linux, I would recommend for you to go with Visual Studio Code. So I would go and click here on free download. Gonna take some time. Now once it's downloaded, we will use Visual Studio installer. Once the installer open, you will see various of workload. These are collection of tools for different type of development. Since we are focusing on C# and .NET, make sure to choose ASP.NET and web development. And if we're gonna scroll down here, we're gonna find .NET desktop development. After that, you're gonna click here install while download. By selecting these kind of options, you will be able to create application across different platform and different project type. One more point for individual component, we're gonna use .NET 8 runtime. Even we have here right now .NET 9 at the time of recording this session. So once the installation complete, I will close out this one, and I will even close this, and I will open the Visual Studio. At the point of recording this session, I will use the version 17.12. For now, let's quickly verify that .NET 8 is set up correctly by creating a new project. So I will go to new and choose project. So from here, I will go and choose console app and make sure that you are choosing C#. After that, let me hit on next, and here you can see .NET 8 is over there, and let me create this project. And now that we have our environment set up, let's go and create your simple C# program to test it out. So we're gonna hit here on console app, and we can see here hello world, it's over there. So that's basically confirm that everything is set up correctly and that our Visual Studio environment is ready for C# and .NET 8 development. Let's go.